Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being part of Fortitude Nation. That's the group of people that follow Financial Fortitude Radio Network, and actually, even if you don't follow the radio show, you can be part of the Fortitude Nation at fortitudenation.com. You can join for free. The show that we just did, we played the theme music. Some of you could remember this just by hearing it and picture where you were sitting, Sanford and Son. We played the theme music from Sanford and Son, and the reason we did that, and I titled the Economic War Report, The Fred Sanford Market, is because if you take anything away from the last few weeks, it's that there are a lot of people out there on TV and radio and clutching their chest and saying, "This is the big one, Elizabeth, I'm coming to see you." And you know, it makes me laugh because I remember sitting there watching that show with my dad and thinking how funny Fred Sanford was. But we want you to think about how this isn't about the boy who cried wolf or the Chicken Littles out there saying the sky is falling. There are some of those, and we don't encourage you to listen to those. We don't see this as the big one, so to speak. But what we're saying is that there's a lot of little ones that are justified. I can give an example. One just off the cuff here is PE ratios right now sit at twice the 138-year average for PE ratios on the S&P 500. So if you think that there isn't a possibility to be concerned there that they will revert to the mean, I think you'd just be remiss. There's a lot of people recently who sat with the old 60-40 outdated portfolio who took a big hit, even more on average that we're seeing than what the TV was showing for what the index drops were. So why is that important? Why is losing money and then needing to come back a big deal? Well, there's a lot of reasons. But if you're an accredited investor or a QEP, you've built up your wealth to a point where you've gained access to many different investment vehicles that people who aren't accredited don't have that luxury. And one thing that some people just do not think about is if you go down under that level again, you might be stuck with certain investments that you used when you had a lot less money. Mutual funds, annuities, and things like that. So there are principal protected growth strategies today. There are strategic income strategies today where you can grow your money, have a stable income, not hit the principal, and cutting out that middleman, the insurance companies. There's a list this long of why it is so valuable to cut out a middleman in really any business you're in, but it's so clear in the financial industry. So join us next time on Financial Fortitude's Fortitude Nation. Till then, happy investing.